Listen, the gift is reachable and souls is teachable. Keeping cool as Antichrist, leaving fools diminished. Like these cruel intentions, I rule inattention. Fuck, living schizophrenic forever. I'm a show lord clever. More better, smart flexor. You're never a worn sweater. Dog day porn better have been worth the infliction. Cause this friction on this mission is fixing. Get your fuck. I said, buck the fuck up, meet me in my sanctuary. Say you're scarier than me, bigger, buffer, motherfucker. But you're still a bitch. Iron doesn't sit thick, bone split. Y'all need to know to set this pro split to get fit. Respite like a crash it hard and sergeant large. In charge of fixing and damning, missing man standing. I'll bitches clan dancing around town on me hellishly. I tell the queen, baby, be me. Shady is seen. Maybe this king is lazy, unseen, but crazy, unclean. Craving fucking lady sexually, like to fully be free. You see no more schizo with no bitch mode. It's so annoying, I knowing if I black out and get hurt. This curse lurk purchase as our sis like your hit. This more than pure shit. It's like arrow drop perfect. Zeroing on purpose to get you searching for some hurting. Earning my title, I'll have destiny bow down to rivals. See, it's fucking vital. Bitch made it gay in ways to disgrace. Bitch made his gay since lane gets played unbelievably. Come deceiving these fuck reasoning me as an achieving dream. I'm a fucking free with golly rights. Watch me right. Got these dice dropping like blocking night. Got me righteously fighting these times to sleep. Fuck slate. Must they aggravating gaily saturate fakes. You're fake. Ask your fate if that's your drink. I said pussy drips. White rich pussy sit wetter than a soaking sweater. Cause the king fucking lectured me by the fucking sex hurt. Said you denying one flying from trying win game. Get slayed then grave. Tell her sleep bitch made fuck this game. Would I win? Never send as high as a grin. The grim reaper is slim keeper. This teacher of prophecy. I'ma start telling destiny. Drop the geeks fucking cheek. Daddy teacher preach. Ankle knee rib face. Strangle these bitch made fucking hit gay. Then get break. Bitch played yourself or it's hellishly motivated. So you're telling me grope the hatred as a fake bitch. Bitch take this rap. Eat some crap and drop flat. God ask these haters why they misplay. I'm savior. You need to quit acting major and thank your savior. I'll spank your anger and hell stuck like anchors. Say you're major to get sweetest candy flavors, please. You see you be stupid, putrid, clueless, and some ditch. Bitch, quit acting like you can't rap. Hot, long drop. Watch rap, I show rap God. How I spit rap drop. That's how Eminem and MS section in accord. What's for Jedi sword gotta do said. I straight lead with a lady, baby, make gravy. Taste fine, saving babies rhyme, so does baby lay right. And also I'm crazy, slaying light. Stay inside, making bitch fight me. It's simple, they get crippled. Pistol whip them, missile stick them and sizzle split them. Riddle, this one's scribbled thickness like triple sit stick. Little did this kid know he'd grow old as chose. So I show those things you can't even imagine. Like I breathe fire heavier than a dragon I've heard. Now I lose style burn, I want a wild shirt. See me be file first, all are fire bursting bitches. Who's quickest get lit, hit fearlessly, dick like a bitch. Bitches, this is shit is spitting, ripping clips, endless. Endless, my mind is, I just rap forever, bitches. Bitches who sick and spitting, living with a dick spits rich. Did this baby make before and after original fiddled. See, he by the piddle with pants like sizzled red ants. Who got dealt a dead hand, best you fled, friend. Let Andy guide you, he's the man less desire. He pulls his pants up higher, sings wiser and buys her. Lost the angel, got me strangled and able to angle. Hate you'll see when monsters stream the fucking scene. Got your seats busting while your souls fucking scream. Nothing on stop me like a copy actor, so watch me drop this bitch ass destiny. Send them to real house steam. Fucking dealt with so much fucked up shit. Damn it, freaks, but y'all gotta hand it to the Antichrist Michael King. Right, pulled light, you'll need guided like find a scene.